So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you top 5 road bikes under rupees 50,000. Here in this list we will have road bikes with both carbon forks and both aluminum alloy forks. So in this list, number 1 is Montra Rhythm 2018 edition, which is the aerodynamic road bike with aluminum alloy. Montra Rhythm 2018 is a time trial road bike which has a Rhythm 700C aero aluminum alloy frame. The drivetrain on this bike has Shimano Soda front and rear derailleurs and Microshift BSA09 bar end shifters. The brakes. The time trial brake bicycles from Montra comes with the Pro Max RC462 brake set. The fork is 700C alloy rigid fork. The tires. The Montra Rhythm comes with a pair of Honda P1076 700x25C tires which are attached to Daming 700C alloy rims. The brakes are V brakes and the wheel size is 700C. The price of this bicycle is Rs 43,700. At number 2, we have the Firefox Tarmac road bike. This road bike comes with a carbon fork and a rigid alloy frame. Firefox Tarmac is a road bike which has an alloy rigid frame. The drivetrain in this bike has a Shimano Soda front and rear derailleur and Shimano Soda shifters. The group set is also Shimano Soda. The brakes are Tektro R312 caliper brakes. The fork is a carbon rigid fork. The tires are of Kenda K152 700x25C tires which are attached to alloy rims. The weight of this bike is 11 kgs and the wheel size is 700C with a price of 44,000 rupees. Number 3, we have the Between Triben RC120 which has an aluminium frame with a carbon fork and Microshift drivetrain of 16 gears. This is the bike from Decathlon Sports India. Twin Triben RC120 comes with a 6061 T6 aluminum sloping frame with a semi-integrated headset. The fork of this bike is made fully of carbon fiber and the handlebar is of 20 mm or of 40 mm according to the size you buy. The drivetrain is of Microshift 8-speed by 2-speed with Microshift group set and the brakes are from aluminum brake levers and equipped with cartridge brake pads to increase braking efficiency. The wheels are Triben 700 wheels with Aero 28 hubs. The tires are 700x28 tires with anti-puncture protection and the saddle is new Triben Arbofit. The price of this bike is 40,000 exclusively online. Number 4, we are having the Scott Speedster 40 2018 edition road bike which has a 6061 alloy frame with an endurance geometry and a Shimano Cladis shifters of 16 speed. The Scott Speedster 40 2018 edition is a road bike which has a Speedster 6061 alloy frame with an endurance geometry. The gearing has Shimano Cladis front and rear derailleurs and Shimano Cladis shifters with Shimano Cladis group set. The brakes come with Tektro Comp V brake which is attached to integrated Shimano Cladis brake levers. The fork is a Speedster alloy fork. The tires are Schwab Lugano 700x28C tires which are attached to Syncross race rims. The price is 48,400 and the wheel size is 27.5 inch. Stratos S2 is a road bike which has an ALX performance road frame with a Shimano Cladis group set of 16 speed. Stratos S2 2020 is a road bike with an ALX performance road frame. The drivetrain is of Shimano Cladis 16 speed and the group set is also of Shimano Cladis. The brakes are Tektro 3R12 brakes which are caliper brakes. The fork is carbon blade fork with an alloy steerer fork. The tires are Performance 700x28C tires which are attached to double-walled alloy rims. The price of this bicycle is 51,990 or the price may also alter